first holiday video. So today we're going to be showing you how to make some snow slime. It's so fun to play with. So for this slime recipe, you'll need 2 cups of liquid glue, 1½ cup of warm water, 1 1/3 cup of warm water, and 3/4 teaspoons of borax. So we first added in all of our ingredients, and then we mixed. Then we just added in some glitter because, let's be honest, glitter makes this world a better place. Hey, now it's time to play with your homemade snow slime. So thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, that's all we have to say.